Shit! Hey guys, welcome to a new day here in Burbank. So, had a rest day yesterday. We walked around the city of Burbank, went to the LA Zoo, saw some pretty cool animals. Now we are off to spend the day at the beach. We're off to Venice Beach and we're off to Santa Monica as well. But we're going to be leaving here tomorrow and I thought it'd be really nice to see Hollywood again. So we're going to go first stop to West Hollywood and the Sunset Strip before heading to the beach. So our green Uber is about 2 minutes away. So we'll see you after the drive. Taxi driver dropped us off outside the famous Santa Monica Hotel. Incredible history here. It was here, of course, where John Belushi tragically passed away. Sofia Coppola made a film here as well, and it's hosted every celebrity you could ever think of. We really wanted to stay here, but it's about $1,500 a night. This is the world famous comedy store. Anybody who's ever been a great comedian ever played here. We've got Seinfeld, Judd Apatow, Larry David, Richard Pryor. It's a really good vibe here on Sunset. Over there we've got incredible views. That's the Oppenheim Group, the offices from the TV show Selling Sunset, which I'm ashamed to admit I'm a big fan of. Actually, we haven't seen many people smoking here at all. So Rachel and I decided to have a bet this morning. We actually haven't seen anybody smoking yet. So we had a bet and we said the first one of us to see somebody smoking wins $5 for the slots at Vegas. And I just saw a man smoking. So the $5 is all mine, ready to waste on the slots tomorrow when we're off to Vegas. That, of course, is the famous Viper Room. It used to be owned by Johnny Depp. It's outside there. The River Phoenix tragically died in the 90s as well. But just now coming up to Whiskey A Go Go as well, which is kind of opposite. Famous venue, Whiskey A Go Go, and so many venues have ripped this place off over the years, but that's the original and best. The famous Roxy, don't know why I keep saying famous, it's all famous around here, and the Rainbow Bar and Grill as well. Of course, notably, this is the place that Lemmy from Motorhead used to drink in every single day, playing on the pinball machine. And when he got too ill to leave his house to go to the Rainbow, they delivered the pinball machine to his house. But we've walked pretty much 40 minutes down it, and now we're gonna book an Uber and gonna go to the beach. Wow. How is it? We got a taxi from the strip all the way to Santa Monica, but when we inputted where we wanted to go on the Uber app, we thought, why not hit up Pinkberry? So we literally got an Uber to Pinkberry in Santa Monica, and now we're going to begin the walk to the pier. I think it's like 45 minutes, so enjoy the ride. This is Montana Avenue. As Rachel was saying to me just now, it's noticeable how different Santa Monica is. Immediately, the moment we get out of the cab, there's lots of health food places. A 100% vegan pizza place. There's a place called The Kind Cafe. It's a very, very different kind of vibe, and it was only about a 20-minute drive from the border of the Strip and Beverly Hills. And we can't come here without getting either a juice or a smoothie, so that's the next move. I'm not going to go for an alcoholic drink today, going to go for a juice. I'm looking for a place called Creation, which I think actually is just down the road. Wow, look at this. Now this is the Chocolate Lovers homemade peanut butter, banana, almond milk. How is it?
I'm just going to try it now.
And an optional add-on of goji berries, which we went for.
Really good. I'm not getting
That's pretty amazing. Oh my god, wow.
That's good, right?
Amazing. And look what we have for lunch. Very, very glamorous. A squashed PB&J sandwich from 7-Eleven in this incredible neighborhood. And here we go. There's the ocean. So over here we've got Pacific Palisades, and then leading towards Santa Monica down there. And over in the distance, we can't see yet, is Venice Beach. So far, quite a relaxed vibe here in Santa Monica. We're still about 5-10 minutes walk away from the pier and everything, but so far so good. Everyone's just riding up and down on bikes, scooters. Really, really feel very relaxed here. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm absolutely bricking it, but I'll never say no to a challenge. I think it's gonna be okay. Yeah, I'll be honest, I feel a lot better when you see little kids on here. I need something to hold on to be honest.
You're fine.
Oh crap.
You're fine.
Oh, damn. Okay, I need to hold on. Right, there's no point in being up here if I can't show you the views, at least. Wow. Wow, this is worth it. I might be really scared, but at least I'm doing it. But don't look down, I'm quite happy to be here.
You're fine, we're good.
Okay, no, good.
Sit back, go on, you can do it.
No, I don't, no.
Let go for just a second. You're not going to fall.
Whoa.
You're fine, now hold on to it. You're going to be fine.
Whoa, what if it drops?
You're not going to drop.
Whoa.
No, you're fine.
Wow.
You can do it, you're fine.
Okay, this is fine.
We're going to start moving again soon though.
That's fine.
Let go for just a second.
Whoa. Queuing up for the coaster. Sweet. I still can't believe I did that. So much fun. Okay, here we go. after this stressful day. House margarita. Pretty good. On Muscle Beach, there's a guy up here doing a DJ set. Right up there. And so we made it to Venice Beach. Super laid back, man. This is the California lifestyle. You know, these people, they live so close to the beach. They just come down here, they're skating, they're surfing, doing whatever they want to do. And it's just brilliant. It's just brilliant. Everybody here is so nice. So laid back as well. No one seems super stressed. I love it. It's wonderful. Okay?
Yeah.
Woo! Deeper there, do you think? There's quite a big current. There's quite a big current already. You okay? Get closer. Whoa! Shit! Had an accident. Oh no! I can't get back in the public domain.
Puppy. You pissed yourself.
What I'm not sure if I captured on camera is how quickly and easily the waves came right up to waist height. First time in the Pacific Ocean. I've never seen that before. Hey man, Rich, yeah? Thank you. Awesome, thank you. Okay, no more Ubers. We're going to Las Vegas tomorrow, so we sacked off the coach and thought we would rent a car instead. So we went to the airport and we've hired a big car to take us all the way there. So we're currently driving back to ours. From LAX takes about an hour to Burbank, including the traffic. Very strange to be on the freeway, especially in an automatic car on the wrong side. But we're going to go and have takeout and get an early night for our trip to Vegas tomorrow.